มันนี้ก็แม่นปิ้งกุ้งกินกับแจ่ว I'm making grilled shrimp today. Whoever wanna eat it, just comment over. I got some hot spicy sauce. This can be really taste good. It's jumbo shrimp. Look at that, look at that. And I will show you how to eat it. Today is raining day. We're outside. And I'm grilling my porch. Oh, that looks tasty. That looks good. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, look like it's ready. You don't need to be overcooked. If it overcooked, it doesn't have that taste. It doesn't taste good. So take it out of the plate. And we go inside, enjoy the shrimp. Let me turn up my grill for cook. Okay, I put in a plate. My Carlito. This is some good shit. Yes. Hot spicy sauce.